Welcome back. This is part 3 of our Getting Started series, and we're going to go over how to purchase Bitcoin on the Binance app. Now that we have the app installed, the next step is to actually purchase your first crypto assets. And we'll actually be purchasing USDT and not Bitcoin initially because it's easier to go into USDT, a stablecoin, then purchase your Bitcoin.
Back to markets. Go up here to the profile and we're going to click Binance Pro. So Pro has a lot more options. We're not going to go through all of them, but it allows you to basically do multiple types of trades and more details, take more risk, take more leverage, all that stuff. But what we want to focus on for us is this peer-to-peer option up here. Peer-to-peer means that you are purchasing crypto from someone else in your country. They've been verified through Binance. And the reason I select this is it tends to be faster and doesn't require additional KYC. So if I were to use the traditional means, let's go back and add funds. If you go through here and you hit like buy with USD, they will actually want you to do additional verification steps. And in the country that I'm in, it requires more information than I feel like giving up at this time. So instead of doing that, we can come to add funds and go to peer-to-peer, or like I showed you previously, you can actually tap peer-to-peer here if it shows up in your menu, or if not, depending on how it's set up, you click the add funds, and then now peer-to-peer is available because we're in the Pro version. And then from here, I select the payment type I want to use. So out here, it's a bank called ABA, and that is by far the absolute fastest. Then I want to make sure that they have the amount that I want to buy. So some sellers will not allow small amounts. They only do big amounts. You can see here it says 10 to 1,000, 10 to 5,000. Sometimes it's 1,000 or more. So you got to find the one that works best for you. This guy here looks like he requires additional verification. I don't feel like going through that. So we'll go with Fast Trader. Looks fine. 15 minutes. Yep. Let's select that one. So then in here, you are basically creating a bid with this person. And again, they've been verified on the platform, and you can leave feedback and see different people's feedbacks. You can see how many reviews he has. So it just gives you that safety, security, knowing that everything's going to be legit. Now, for this to work, or to participate in it, I should say, is you have to understand the terms. So you can see here, Cambodia only must have the same name with your account. They don't accept third parties. So meaning, when I told you to create the account, make sure you're using the same name on your account. So you couldn't create the account on Binance and then have someone else fund the crypto here. They won't actually accept it or reject it. So make sure you understand what you're doing. And then we're going to go here. We're going to go $20. And the payment method, we're doing ABA. And we are going to place the order. And then once you're on this screen, you'll see here the chat tells you what to expect. And basically what you'll do is you'll go to your app. In my case, it'd be the banking app, and I will send him the money through that app based on his payment method, which is here. There you go. Few payment details. So this tells me I can copy the account number. I can see the QR code for that account and the amount that he wants. So when I look at my app, I should see his full name be the same name. And then it says, just scan, don't put any remarks. So again, specifically here in Cambodia, crypto technically isn't allowed, but there are businesses that are authorized to do it. But in order to do so, they're not permitted to actually state that, like in the notes or remarks section of the banking app. So I have 15 minutes to make this transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this here and do that on the banking app separately, and then show you how it continues. Have already made the payment and even sent the screenshot in the chat. so that it shows there that I submitted that. And then counterparty released the crypto. So he already released it, order completed. So it happened that fast. I was trying to show you guys what takes place. But basically, I received $19.87 of USDT for the $20. So there's a small fee associated. That's what showed on his pricing was at 1.004. And for this, I used USDT and not Bitcoin because there are more users for USDT, which is a stable coin, than Bitcoin. So depending on your country, you may have to do that as well. So USDT is just a 1-to-1 of the US dollar. So it is often easier to get in this and then make your trades afterwards based on how volatile Bitcoin can be, because it can go up and down very quickly. So now that I have USDT, the $20 or $19 and some change that I got, it's easier to go back to the Lite menu. Let's go back to Binance Lite because I want to show you the convert tab. That way it's much, much easier for you to make changes. There you go. Cool. Convert. And we're going to be converting. Perfect. USDT. So you see the available there. It says 1987. You see right there, 1987. So I can actually hit max on that. So it's taking all $19.87 and telling me that it'll convert to 0.0003112 of Bitcoin. So we're going to hit trade. It's going to ask me to confirm that. I'm going to confirm and complete it. Now I have 0.00311152 of Bitcoin. And we will, in the next video, look at how to send that Bitcoin to Digital Crypto Solutions wallet to get higher yield on our Bitcoin. Stay tuned.